Hi there. Welcome to this quick guide for using Vlookup. Vlookup is one of the most used formulas in Excel, and this short guide is supposed to help you use the basic options of Vlookup to your best requirements. So what I have here are three different sheets: price group, um, price that has products and item price, sales, which have product and sold quantity, and the price group that is here to show you a neat little trick in VLOOKUP that not everyone knows. Basically, it's separating the price per group. What it's supposed to do is basically divide the prices into three categories. Between 0 to 4, it's going to be C, 4 through 10, it's B, and 10 plus, it's going to be group A. And in the summary sheet is where I want to show everything together. So every information here is being taken from one of these three sheets, and at the end we have the revenue, which is just a multiplication. So let me show you how it's done. So first of all, there's the VLOOKUP. Okay, now you can press this button. Sorry, you can press this button for online help. Okay, and you can also go over here, click on FX. It's going to show you a more condensed help, which is also very useful. But once you start using it, you won't need that anymore. So if we look up, I'm looking for the value. Basically, I'm looking for the name milk. Now, I recommend you always use dollar signs when you're looking for values because you never know when you're going to drag it. So I'm using a dollar sign on the column, meaning when I drag, it's always going to remain on column A. Comma, then where is the table that you're looking for information? So I'm going to go to sales, and you gotta select the first one. The first column that you select has to be the column where the value that you're searching is located. So I'm going with product through sold quantity, and you notice I've selected the full column. You don't have to do that. You can select range, but I prefer to just select the columns. That way, no matter how many lines you have, it's going to work. And again, I use the dollar just so if I move around the formula, it always maintains this range. Then column index, or how many lines, or sorry, how many columns are going to move when you find the value. So it has to be at least one, and in this case it's two because it's the second value. And range lookup, it's either true or false. False is what most people use, and I'm going to use it in this case, meaning it finds the exact match. So if I'm looking for milk, it has to find milk. And true is approximate, meaning it looks for something that is similar. Okay, which is sometimes you may get what you want, you're expecting, and may not. Once I do that, I'm finding that value, and now if I drag it, I'm going to find the others. For item price, I'm going to do the same real quick. Go to price, and I also have two, and there you go. Price group. Now in this case, I wanted to show the group. I wanted to create groups. So now I'm looking actually for the price itself. Okay. I'm going to the price group. I'm selecting, but now I'm going to use number one, or approximate. Now what it does, it searches for the value in a descending order. So here I have 0, 4, and 10. 2 is not showing there, but it's looking for the value closest descending. In this case, it's 0. That's why we see C. If I had written here 1.5, then it changes to B. So that's a nice trick how using the approximate search for Vlookup. And this was a very short, hopefully, and insightful video on how to use Vlookup. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and feel free to also write comments if you want me to show how to use other functions or tools within Excel. Bye.